Hello there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will take you through heat conduction through a hollow composite cylinder in heat transfer. Let's begin with this question. A thick-walled tube of stainless steel with 20 mm inner diameter and 40 mm outer diameter is covered with a 30 mm layer of asbestos insulation of thermal conductivity K equals 0.2 watts per meter per degree Celsius. If the inside wall temperature of the pipe is maintained at 600 degrees Celsius and the outside insulation at 1000 degrees Celsius, calculate the heat loss per meter of length. Solution. Here is a diagrammatic view. Given. Radius R1 equals 0.01 meters. Radius R2 equals 0.02 meters. Radius R3 equals 0.05 meters. Temperature T1 equals 600 degrees Celsius. Temperature T3 equals 1000 degrees Celsius. Thermal conductivity of asbestos Kb equals 0.2 watts per meter per degree Celsius. Finding the heat loss per meter of length. Neglecting the resistance of stainless steel, since its thermal conductivity is not given. Which equals negative 548.57 watts per meter. Negative sign indicates that the heat transfer takes place radially inward.